NASA's Parker Solar Probe was expected to make history on Tuesday, December 24th, by flying into the Sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, on a mission to help scientists learn more about Earth's closest star. No human-made object has ever passed this close to a star, so Parker will truly be returning data from uncharted territory, Nick Pinkine, Mission Operations Manager at Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, said in a NASA blog. Parker was on course to fly 3.8 million miles (6.1 million kilometers) from the Sun's surface at 6:53 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 11:53 GMT.
That's right. So NASA's Parker Solar Probe, which launched in 2018, has been using Venus gravity assist to get closer and closer to the Sun. And most recently, it had a Venus gravity assist, and so now it's going to fly within 3.83 million miles of the surface of the Sun, which is closer than any human-made object has ever gone before.
With the spacecraft out of contact, it will be Friday before mission operators confirm its health following the close flyby.
We have never had a human-made object so close to the Sun. To get that close, we had to use Venus to have our gravity assist to slow Parker down so that it could get that close. Also, we had to not melt. That's why the Parker has this heat shield that holds the instruments at room temperature and keeps the heat of the Sun away. And these are just amazing feats. And so it's so amazing that we are so close and really getting to measure in detail this material up close.
Moving at up to 430,000 miles per hour, 692,000 kilometers per hour, the spacecraft will endure temperatures of up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 982 degrees Celsius, NASA said on its website. When the probe first passed into the solar atmosphere in 2021, it found new details about the boundaries of the Sun's atmosphere and collected close-up images of coronal streamers, cusp-like structures seen during solar eclipses.
We're here at solar maximum, which is the time that the Sun is the most dynamic, and it has explosions all the time, these huge coronal mass ejections and solar flares. And those are the biggest, most energetic explosions in our solar system, and actually larger than the entire planet Earth. They're really just some unbelievable things to observe. And so by passing this close to the Sun, we're able to observe these explosions close up, and instead of having them get all stirred up and blurred by the time they reach the Earth, we're getting to see the pristine processes happening right up close to their origin.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff of the mighty Delta IV Heavy rocket with NASA's Parker Solar Probe, a daring mission to shed light on the mysteries of our closest star,
Since
the
the
Sun.
spacecraft launched in 2018, the probe has been gradually circling closer towards the Sun, using flybys of Venus to gravitationally pull it into a tighter orbit with the Sun. One instrument aboard the spacecraft captured visible light from Venus, giving scientists a new way to see through the planet's thick clouds to the surface below, NASA said.